A succession battle in ZANU-PF continues. Midlands Province boys are after Sanyatwe. Remember, Sanyatwe was retired from the army by ED a few days before the Geza Revolution, see 31st March, and appointed as Minister of Sports. Sabina mashoko kubuda pangwa inoi vanhu vachinotorera kubva General Sanyatwe pakafaiwa aiwa kumauto vachizoiswa the sports ministry. Now panapa tuna kuti General Sanyatwe is continuing the fight in the cabinet, and panguva inoi kuonekwa kunzi Sanyatwe ava kufesa consequences kuri kunzi the Midlands boys panguva inoi they are now attacking him. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina BBC poster General Anselm Sanyatwe muri kuona obdanyira achiti Chiwenga remains powerful within ZANU-PF because of people like retired Lieutenant General Sanyatwe, retired General Rugeje, and Matamba, and others. During the cabinet meeting where constitutional amendments, Bill number 3, were passed, it is alleged that Chiwenga and Sanyatwe challenged the bill, citing that the bill does not represent what they fought for during the liberation struggle. Now Tagure's foot soldiers is telling the president to investigate Sanyatwe to find out why he's failing to finish renovating National Sports Stadium. It's clear that they want him fired from the government because of going against the bill. Doma developments are good upon going to ZANU-PF is failed in many things. My projects akawanda akazimakuita akatora time kuti acomplete, but pangwa inoi project ya Sanyatwe panguva inonekwa kunzi the National Sports Stadium iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kudelaya. Kuri alleged also kunzi a company which is supposed to do much of the work ndiyezvigananda again it is delaying, and now the blame yakuiswa kuna General Anselm Sanyatwe nokuda kwekuenda against the amendment bill. Ina comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pemadevelopments awa tiona kuti aiwa zvisina kumira zvakanaka. Ina comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, point it on the bell icon.